How to add a border around cookie banner on Squarespace. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual website. Once you're in there, you can see all of this. So what you can do is we click on the pages right here, and then choose right here the page that you want to add that particular border on your cookie banner with. I have in here my events page. Let's click onto this gear icon, and from in there, you should be able to see this. Head over and click on advanced. You can see tags as well as page header code injection. Let's click onto this right here. And from in there, you just need to add a code. This will inject this code on the page's head tag. So I have in here the sample code that you can also copy. So you can just input right here this, change right here the actual pixel for the border. You can make it solid, and then input right here the hex code for that. So from in there, you can just head over and click onto the save option in order to save these changes. And it should be able to appear on your header, and it will appear on your cookie header right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.